In this video, I will show you how to paste a script in Pictory AI. So let's jump straight into it. So to do this, what you want to do is come across to Pictory.ai, and if you don't have an account, you can actually open an account for completely free. Now, once you've gone ahead and done that, what you're going to want to do first is go ahead and grab your script. So what I'm going to do is come across to ChatGPT and get this to generate me a quick script which we can use. So I'm just going to put write me a 200 word script on top 10 facts about lions. So it's going to go ahead and just take a minute to generate a script for me. And as you can see, we now have our script generated. So what I'm going to do to paste this into Pictory, all you need to do is simply go ahead and copy your script by highlighting, right clicking and clicking copy. And then what you want to do is come back to Pictory. Now, when you log in, you're going to get some different options. What you want to do is click onto the pink box over here, which says script to video, and then go ahead and press the purple proceed button. Next, in the big box underneath, what you want to do is go ahead and paste your script into here by holding Control and pressing V on your keyboard, or you can right click and click paste. And once this is done, all you want to do, you can see it's saved automatically, it says that up here, and then you can just go ahead, click proceed, and then go ahead and continue to generate your video. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.